Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today because I want to share something very special with you. That is my learning English journey. In this video, I will talk about that why did I start my learning English journey. Second, I will talk about that what kind of problems I faced when I started my learning English journey. Third, I will talk about my small progress, and fourth, I will talk about my daily practice. So, I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. So it's my humble request to all of you that please watch this video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your one subscription, your one like give me motivation and give me confidence to make such kind of videos. So first I talk about that why did I start my learning English journey. I started my learning journey because I want to improve myself and I want to grow. I want to connect with more peoples and create content for my YouTube channel. Being a homemaker and mother, I wanted to help my kids with their studies and I want to set an example for my kids. I want to make them understand that if we want to do something in our life, so we can do. I remembered when I started my learning English journey, I was very shy to speak and I was afraid of making mistakes. I'm mm, I'm afraid of speaking in front of others. I thought that what if I made a mistake, another laugh at me, okay? And this kind of thoughts stopped me to speak in front of others. But now I can speak, and whenever I go to my uh, Alderson's school for the PTM, I speak with their uh, I speak with his teachers in English. Okay. Slowly and gradually, I realized that making mistakes are the parts of the learning, and without making mistakes, we can't learn anything. I remember that day when mm, means at first I was not able to speak a full sentence, and when I spoke a full sentence without any stoppage, okay. That time I felt very confident. I felt motivated that no, I'm also learning. I'm also learning and I am improving. From that day, I continued practice. Yes, I started my journey from August. Yes, August 2025, and now I'm able to speak. Okay, now I talk about that how do I practice. Okay, what I do, I read a sort of moral stories or motivational stories. Then I try to tell that story in my own words, means retelling stories. Okay, then stood in front. I stand in front of the mirror and I try to tell my daily routine in my own words. First, I try to tell my daily routine in future tense. Then, what did I do today? That is that I try to speak in front of the mirror every day. Means I practice every day. For that, I read, I speak, I write. Means each and everything I do. For the improving my pronunciation, I do shadowing practice. For that, I listen native speaker and then I repeat that sentence what they said in my own style. Okay, so friends, I would say that if I can learn English, so you can also. So learning anything, I don't say that learning language. I say if you are learning anything, if you are learning any skill, so it is very important to be consistent. Consistency is the key. If we continue, if we if we continuously practice for spoken English, so we can speak. At the last, I would like to thank you, all of you, for watching this video till the end. I would like to say that if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your one subscription or your one like give me motivation, and it pushes me to make such kind of videos. So till once again, if you like, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.